All right. Are we ready, boys? Ready for what? Ready for what exactly? Well, we're gonna save our freaking friends, obviously. Yes, we are ready.
As much as I would love to stay inside the tent, this is what we have to do.
Mm-hmm. Yay! Wait. Uh-huh. Hey there. The name's Ron. Huh? Wait, that name sounds familiar enough. Ron! My long lost brother. Where have you been? Mm, long story. But I'll explain that later. It's actually funny because I've been looking for you as well. Where have you been, my little brother? Oh, just been exploring space and oh, that's Naz. Hmm, interesting. I knew you loved space. So, what are we doing? Oh, yeah, we're gonna save our friends. Hmm. Oh, the Blues, Chuck, Bomb, those guys? Yeah, exactly. All right. Count me in. I'm ready for a fight. How'd you know we were gonna fight people? Remember, I got sent to hell a long time ago, so now I could read your mind. Right. Wait, what? Wait, we're letting an actual demon on our team? You say that, but you're a ghost. He's way worse than I am. Look, man. Look, he's pretty strong. And also, what do you even do to get sent to hell? I'll explain that later. This is a story I don't want to get to. Okay.
Planning an all-out attack on us. Well then, lock him up.
Wait, what? We're doing this already? Didn't think we were gonna do this, but you know what? Fine. Wait, what? What are you doing?
Hey. No, I'm too fast.
Oh, you've got to be kidding. This is like so unfair, man.
Why are we doing this? It's cruel.
Shut up, Saba. Why do you care? Why do you honestly care?
I mean, I don't deserve this. I say we threw Saba off.
Sounds like a good idea. You.
Ah, ow.
No. If you don't let go, I'm gonna blow up. No. I can't blow up. What are my abilities? My power. My everything. We made sure you can't do that in there. But that's cheating.
Boss.
What? Where's the third Blue Jay? Right there.
I got him. And I agree with Sabo, though. This is a bit cruel.
You're the mascot of Pokemon. Why would you care?
Just because I'm the mascot doesn't mean I don't have a heart.
Ugh, another softie. Whatever. Who do we send in first for the fight? Well, I think, why don't we send in the Orange Twins? Sounds like a good idea. And since when can you speak English? Cupcake. Okay, you're messing with us, aren't you? Ugh, fine. Our game is irrelevant anyway. Ow. Do we have to jump down? Yep. Whatever. Ugh. I broke my neck. You're stupid. God damn it. This is always a puzzle. Get up, you idiot. Alright. The Orange Twins.
Ow.
Huh? Are you the first boss?
No, come in peace. Look, they're planning something. You have your friends up there. I tried to tell them that it's too cruel for them to do that, but they didn't listen.
How rude. Yup. I want to go first. Alright, go in there, buddy. Okay. A pig?
Coming at us?
That's stupid.
We'll show this pig a big lesson. But first, now we'll do it. Hey, watch where you're aiming.
Nah. You know what? Why don't we get some background music? It's kind of boring without it. You know what? You're right.
All this time, our freaking videos never had music in the background, and that's, I think, the reason why people always don't watch things fully. At least, that's what I think.
Oh, yeah, I'm feeling it now. You missed. Alright. Let's hope I can do this again. Alright. Get ready for the pig. There's nothing to be seen. But, yeah. So, alright, let's see what I can do. Have a wrench. Have a what? Ow. How annoying. This song sucks. What'd you say? I said it sucks. Whoop.
You idiot! What the hell would you insult this music like that?
What? Brother, help. I can't stop dancing. I can't stop. Help. Alright, I'm clumping out.
Oh, well, not me.
Alright. Let's hustle. What is that? Oh, whatever it is, I'm covered in it. I can't see. Don't worry, brother. I can get him. Is that fire? Since when can you do that? Weird. Whatever. Alright. No, I can't see.
Swapping out. Let's finish this, my shadow.
Whatever. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a... I didn't. My little shadow ball. Oh, hold on, just do it. No, my brother. You'll pay for that. You know, for them having fire, they're not really using it.
Oh, yeah, thank you for reminding me, you stupid foot.
Where is he, actually? Ugh. Was behind you. I failed.
You're an idiot.
Ow. Want to fight fire with fire? Then let's do it. Oh shit. The Orange Twins defeated.
Oh, wow. I wasn't actually expecting that. Whew, that was a hustle. Alright, who's sending in next? Let's send in 173, why not? Wait, what? Why me? And also, that's not even my name anymore. My name is Dummy Man. Dummy Man? Really? Yep. 173, is that you? No, I go by a new name now since I don't even look remotely close to him. But, let's test it. If you insist.
Dive into a world of tranquility.
That's not
Just up
music.
close and create
Give us our music.
Feeling burnt out?
That's not
Have
music.
an Alice, a chocolate made from functional mushrooms.
Stop
Learn
it.
more at alicemushrooms.com.
Thank you. Alright, let's do this. Ow!
Still made a statue, I see. Still made a statue. I meant concrete.
Ow. How's this even affecting me? Rock types don't affect me. Wait, I'm a fighter. I'm a fighting Pokemon.
What?
What was that? Bullet punch. That wasn't even a bullet punch, you stupid foot. No matter.
I'm swapped out. Wait, I'm gonna fight him? Okay. Wait a minute.
I can't move. Ow!
Rude. Okay, gotta do it again. What am I doing? Oh, okay. Is that Darth Vader? Alright. Space ready to go.
Me, but I don't have any special abilities. Unless.
Face the blast of space.
Meteorite!
I think that this is not a good idea. But this is not over. Understood?
Wow, we're doing good.
No. Well, if you want to get them so down so badly, then why don't you send it us? I guess I see. I don't see any. All of that.
Wait, does that mean I have to go too?
Yep. Figures. Piggy characters. What the hell? What in God's green earth?
Okay, my YouTube's being stupid right now. Hold on. Um.
Alright, whatever.
Why are we playing Angry Birds music?
I mean, the whole topic is saving us Angry Birds. So. A pig! Ow! Don't worry. They'd want to be able to do more damage.
Alright. I don't have a gun, guys. How am I supposed to fight?
Louis, give you mine.
Oh, okay. Ow. Ouch.
Okay, one of my hearts are gone. Ow. Listen faster, though.
What can I do, though? Uh-huh. Idea.
Slipped on whatever this sludge is.
It's Ichor. The blood of gods.
No matter. Ugh. Okay. You go in there. On it.
Wait, this is a stamina battle? No one told us about that. Whatever. I still don't have a gun. Who cares about your fucking gun?
Face the wrath of me. Huh?
Memory and Piggy defeated.
That's so much.
You're telling me I died first before the tiger?
Oh.
Hey, I'm not just any tiger, okay? You can't walk all over me because I'm not just a cool guy. That's disgusting. Ow. The pig is dead. What? Oh, goodness grief. Is that a fucking shadow ball? I'm dead. I'm sorry I failed you all.
It's okay, pig. I fell. You did your best. And we're not gonna beat you up for it.
Thank you. Alright, so, we dealt with all those guys, right?
Huh?
What do you mean by Zaron? You are going to die. I do not. I don't understand. I don't understand. What does he mean by this? I don't know. Damn ads. Wrong music. What?
Wrong type of music.
For this type of event. Because the final boss is approaching. You think you can take me place? Nah. Oh, great.
Hello.
Great. Alright. I'm the only character that can smash. You're an assistant. Yes, but I'm still in Smash Bros.
Same here.
I can't watch. And after you defeat us, you'll get your friends. But I highly doubt you will. Wrong jump scare noise. This is not cool. Ouch. So much for me being in the final fight. Don't think I forgot about last time, bozo. You're still mad about that. Hi. Who the fuck are you? Oh.
Like your beauty fire attack is gonna do anything to me. There's nothing you can't even face me, no. Because once I am done with you, I'll take over this stupid little world. Take over everything. Kill little poor little Kirby.
Why were you singing?
Whatever.
Idea.
Hey, unhand me.
What was that? Alright, it worked. Not the meteorite.
What? What? Whatever you think you're doing, you cannot defeat me. No matter.
Oh, oh.
That's enough.
It's
Ow.
ow. Please don't invisibility, don't wear off. And I'm dead.
Ow. Luckily for me, I have this. Why the hell?
Ollie asked, is this the year you take yourself seriously?
Phase 2.
I think Ollie
great. Frick. What's up? What the? Too much damage. Yikes, I forgot he was weak to fire. You forgot about me. No, we didn't. What? Sup? I can't believe it. After all this planning, I've been defeated once again. Marks and his crew defeated. Yeah, whatever. You can have your friends. Release them. What? We had planned this for so long, and you just want them released? Yeah. They beat us fair and square. Ow. 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 You gotta be kidding. Shut up, Bulbasaur. Ow. Oh, wrong character. Ow. Ugh. 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 My friends. Space Red. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, dude, what's up? Thank you for saving us. Yeah. Well, I wasn't alone in this battle. I had some other guys help me, but some of them died, and well, here's some more. Sup? What? Who's that? Looks like me. Well, it's not you. Surprised you don't remember him. He's our older brother, Ron. Sup? Wait, Ron? You have an older brother? You never told us? Yeah, you never did. What? Huh, shocking. Bomb, you're still small. I know, the shrinking effect did not go away. What the? I never knew this. Well, nice to see you again, man. Huh. Nice to see you again, Dave. How did you know my name? I never told you my name when we were growing up. Again, I am a demon. I can read minds again. Well, now I can. Wow. Oh yeah? What am I thinking about now? Ice cubes. Damn. How about me? Ice cream. Damn, you got me. Yeah, what about me? See, I would say, but you're thinking way too fast. Alright. Yeah, you're right. God damn it. God damn it, you still got me. Oh yeah, me?
ice cream, but with 2 scoops. Dang. What do you guys think about ice cream?
Alright, well, nice to see you again. Nice to see you again, too.
Come on, let's go inside.